In the previous episode, we discussed the do family. This time, let's talk about the have family.
She has written 3 letters already, or she has wrote 3 letters already. Which one is correct? But before we answer this, let's first introduce you to the have family.
Thanks, Aya. Well, now that you mention it, the have family includes has, have, and, well, had. Has for singular, have for plural, and had with a D is used when the sentence is in the past tense, regardless of the number of subjects.
Take note whenever we use has, have, or had in a sentence as a helping verb, the main verb should be in the past participle form. Follow the formula. Has, have, had, plus past participle form of the verb.
As in, has gotten, has eaten, or had answered.
That's right. Has, have, or had plus past participle of the verb. So, in the sentences earlier, which one is correct? She has written 3 letters already, or she has wrote 3 letters already? Very good. She has written 3 letters already. Since we use the helping verb has, our main verb should be in the past participle form, which is written.
Thanks, Aya. So let's check to see if you understand the lesson. Which verb should we use in this sentence? I had blank my dinner before you arrived. Is it took or taken?
Correct. The answer is taken. I had taken my dinner before you arrived. What about this? I have worked or work here since I graduated school.
Right. Worked. I have worked here since I graduated high school.
Fantastic job, kids. This has been another quick and easy English lesson for you all. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.